Welcome to my first video of top 3000 word which helps to develop your vocabulary. So let's see how the video content in my video series. This video series of top 3000 word and each video has new 20 words which helps to you develop your vocabulary. So this series of top 300 words is start from alphabet A, B, C, D, likewise Z, and every slide I will explain about the word, then followed by the pictorial presentation and the phrase of that word. So let's see today top 1 to 20 words. Alphabets A. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. Abandon. Abandon. He might abandon this place. He might abandon this place. Ability. Ability. He has an artistic ability. He has an artistic ability. Able. Able. She is able tonight. She is able tonight. Abortion. Abortion. She decided to get an abortion. She decided to get an abortion. About. About. They were talking about her. They were talking about her. Above. Above. The plane flies above in the sky. The plane flies above in the sky. Abroad. Abroad. She was going abroad. She was going abroad. Absence. Absence. He complained about their absence. He complained about their absence. Absolute. Absolute. He has absolute faith in him. He has absolute faith in him. Absolutely. Absolutely. He is an absolutely truthworthy employee. He is an absolutely truthworthy employee. Absorb. Absorb. Sponge can absorb foam. Sponge can absorb foam. Abuse. Abuse. He used to abuse her. He used to abuse her. Academic. Academic. The academic year has been started. The academic year has been started. Accept. Accept. She will accept the flowers. She will accept the flowers. Access. Access. Only he has access to the data. Only he has access to the data. Accident. Accident. The accident was fatal. The accident was fatal. A company. A company. She always want to accompany him. She always want to accompany him. Accomplish. Accomplish. He will accomplish his target. He will accomplish his target. According. According. They were dancing according to the custom. They were dancing according to the custom.